we start with the first thing, the egg and the sperm. And when we talk about the original DNA, and that is the primordial force that holding us, the primordial force. Now we're going to talk about our own body DNA. Okay, so the sex cell hold our original DNA, the sex cell. Okay, because the one cell is split. Okay, so when our parents come together, they make love. The usual case, love, fall in love, and love and sex creating orgasm energy. So the Tao believe that orgasm is the first energy that they inherit from the parent to us. Orgasm. Okay? And so this is the first cell energy, and they still need them every day. They still need this orgasm energy every day to make the cells split. Okay, love and sex make the cells split properly. Okay, so this one we're going to talk a lot more tomorrow, because this is the major theme. You need to have the orgasm, and you have to have the longer orgasm. If you have very quickie orgasm, nothing, no orgasm, no energy to heal, to exchange, to build up. So that is the whole important part about the we call multi-orgasm. So this is when the first cell start, and it started the embryo cells. So we're going to have a breeding, we call embryo breeding. So the 8 embryo cell, and then move down to the uterus wall. So and it split into the stem cell. So this is the original stem cell. Okay. And this original stem cell is a very, we call almighty cells. We heard a lot of report about the embryo cells, because they're not allowed to do the research. The whole theory is that when they take these 8 embryo cells and they culture them, and you can make more human, but the original one die. I mean, the one that original, you don't know who is the original one now, huh? But the original one die, and you have all the new one. So they said you're killing the fetus. Okay, but you have another maybe 8 or maybe more than that fetus. So they said so, and they try to do the original stem cell, and the original stem cell is now we have the 3 copy now. Complete sex cell, embryo cell, stem cell. Okay? And from the stem cell, you give information. They give information. Okay, you become the heart, you become the liver, you become the spleen, like this. They go up like this. Okay? So in that way, they started to split. From there, we split out very, very big, and we started to split into a whole human. So from one copy, and it split out to a grown human, is about 27 trillion cells. So it's a lot of copy to make. Okay? A lot of copy, from one copy to this much copy. So the whole problem is that when we make too many copy, we get the last copy, the last copy, it become more blur. And we have problem for that. Okay? Now we have to understand that the sex cells hold the original DNA. Okay? Original blueprint. And from the sex cell, it can creating anything. They allowed to take a human grow up stem cell. Okay? So they can do many things now. Okay? But the best one is still the original one. But that is you killing the fetus also. So we believe that the kidney store original force, sexual energy store original force, and the heart store the original spirit. And that is what we do. So we're going to start with turning the water wheel and opening the dantian and activate the kidney. And after that, we want to start with breathing the primordial force. Okay, breathing the primordial force. And the primordial force is very simple. Wherever you go, it's always primordials. And the West, they know now dark matter and dark energy.